Ahoy, shipmates! Another interesting ship video. I don't think I've followed a tanker before on the channel. And here is the Seatribute, arriving from Novorossiysk in Russia. This is particular interest at the moment, as I believed there are sanctions involving the transportation and delivery of Russians' goods and seizing super yachts and planes from oligarchs. Well, this ship left Russia before the problems. It left Russia, I think it was the 25th of February. So it's been on the seas for a while, and my understanding is it's full of Russian oil, delivering it to here in the port of Southampton to the Fawley refinery. I'm not quite sure what the legal position is in this. It's a Maltese registered ship, so obviously the ship itself is not Russian. Maybe just the contents are. So I don't know if they'll be unloading the contents, or maybe it's just coming into port to be refueled. An extra ration of rum, and then send them on their way. Interesting time, shipmates. In fact, the port of Novorossiysk in Russia is in the Black Sea, so not far at all from Ukraine. Ukraine is predominantly here in the centre, with the Russian now held Crimea in the centre, and the port is just over here on the northeast coast of the Black Sea. Probably started somewhere about there.